Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to be GCash verified. So first step here, we're going to open your GCash app on your mobile. So as you can see here, my dashboard on your screen. So tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen to open up your profile page. Now here, as you can see my profile, I am fully verified on GCash. So basically, if you're going to tap on the view benefits, right here at the bottom of your profile picture, you'll find all the benefits that you can get if you are fully verified. So as you can see here, it will show you here that you can enable more on the features on GCash if you are fully verified, like the send money, online cash in, bank transfer, you can get G credit, you can get G invest and cash out. So you have more options here if you are fully verified on Gcash. And then if you're going to scroll down here, you'll find some informations about the account limits. So as you can see, if you are fully verified, then you can get more limits. As you can see on the wallet size, incoming limit, and outgoing limit. So how to upgrade your account to Gcash fully verified? So the first step here is take ID photo. So it suggests that you can use your national IDs, your driver's license or password. And then you just have to make sure that you click a clear photo of your ID. And then the next one here, take a selfie. So make sure that your selfie and ID are not blurry. And then the next one, fill information. So you just need to enter your personal details or personal informations. And then you have to review your information. So make sure the details you provided are complete and correct. And finally, you can send that application. So you have to wait for a few minutes or a few days actually to get fully verified on Gcash. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.